Hi everyone and welcome to my cooking diary. Today's recipe is about seer fish fry. The recipe is simple, quick and uses basic Indian spices. It can be served as an appetizer or as a side dish for any meals. Let's get started. We will start with the marination first. For this we will need red chilli powder 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chilli powder 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, minced garlic 1.5 teaspoon, minced ginger 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste, mustard oil 1 tablespoon. You can use any other vegetable oil also. Lemon juice 1.5 teaspoon. Give everything a good mix. We basically need to form a paste. Now add a little dash of water to adjust the consistency of the paste. 1 to 2 teaspoons of water should be fine. The marination is now ready. Keep it aside. Now I have taken seer fish steaks, approximately 450 grams in a plate. We have to dab the fish dry with the help of a napkin or a kitchen towel. Repeat the process on both the sides of the fish. It's time to marinate the pieces now. Take some marination and gently rub it on the fish. Please make sure that you also apply masala on the side, that is on the skin of the fish. Be little generous, we have prepared a lot of masala that will be sufficient for 450 grams of fish. We have to repeat the process on both the sides. Let the fish marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. It's time to fry the fish now. I'll be doing a shallow fry, so I have taken approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Gently place the pieces on the pan. Make sure that the gas flame is on low at this time. The fish will be tender, so be little careful. Otherwise, you might end up breaking the fish. We now need to cook the fish on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. After 2 to 3 minutes you will notice that the sides have turned little white. This is the best time to flip it. So just turn the fish carefully. I just splashed a little oil, so guys be little careful. So I am now using a spoon to flip it so that it's easier for me. Just do it for all the pieces, and we need to cook the fish on the other side as well for 2 to 3 minutes. The fish is now perfectly cooked on both the sides. Let me flip it and give you a closer look. Yes, see, the fish is so delicate and soft. It's now ready to be served. Place the fish gently on the plate. Garnish it with some onion rings, lemon and curry leaves. The fish looks great, it is tender and soft, and it has turned out really very moist. Do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section below. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.